Man, gotta make sure y'all good. Hopefully everybody having a super fantastic day right now. While I'm adjusting my setup here, make sure you hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell. Make sure that you leave a comment, leave a like, a dislike if you really don't like the video. Oh man, make sure y'all good. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. But back to what I was saying. Subscribe, leave a like, hit that notification bell, share this video with your friends and your family, and please feel the energy, feel the good vibrations, feel everything that I'm finna bring in this video. Look, new videos every single week, man. Energy, 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 and more energy. Yeah, let's get into the video. Ooh. All right, look, I'm gonna keep this video short and straight to the point. Some of you are too old to be taking cakewalks. All right, it makes sense for a kid to try to, maneuver and try to find, the cheap way out. But some of you are adults. Matter of fact, a lot of you are adults and you're still looking for cakewalks. You're still looking for easy way outs. And you're wondering why you ain't reaped the full benefits of everything that you're doing. You haven't reached your full potential yet because you keep trying to find the easy way out. You're too old for cakewalks. Stop looking for them. Because honestly, you're wasting your time. There's no more cakewalks. You're an adult. You gotta be an adult about things. And you want everything that life has to offer, correct? I know you do. And you want to reach your maximum potential, correct? I know you do. The only way to do that is to do it legitly. Don't cheat your game. Don't cheat the craft. Put everything into life. It's going to give you everything in return. Life never cheats you. It only gives you what you put in. So if you're only getting a little bit, you need to check your effort before you point the finger at any other person or any other thing. If you're only getting a little bit, you may be giving a little bit. But if you're giving everything, if you're putting your all into it, it may not happen right away, but eventually you're going to get everything that you work for. Everything that you put your time into, you're going to get that back in return in the future. That's why I always say, don't worry about time frames. Don't worry about, I want to get this done. Why is this taking so long? Why is my success not happening to me yet? Don't worry about it. Just know that it's going to come back to you tenfold. Only thing that you can control right now is the effort that you put in. Regardless of the day, regardless of how you're feeling, you can control your effort every single day. How do you expect to reach your full potential if all you're doing is looking for the cakewalks? You've been looking all around your whole life. You 40, 50, 30, shoot, your late 20s, and you're still looking for cakewalks. Like, man, I'm looking for the cakewalk. I can't find it. I've been looking. I can't find no path. When you're ignoring the path that's right in front of you, yes, it's going to take a little bit more time. Yes, it's going to take some work. Yes, it's going to take some effort, but you're going to reach your maximum potential. Why wouldn't you want that? It's almost like fast food. It is not good for you at all. But why are fast food businesses booming right now? Why have they been booming for these years? It's because it comes to you fast. It comes to you quick. Yes, it tastes good for that 30 minutes, that hour that you're eating it, but you pay for it later on, correct? Exactly. Life is the same exact way. The bigger your dream, the bigger your goal, you can't just put that in the microwave. You're gonna have a whole bunch of cold spots. You ever had that when you put something in the microwave and you don't cook it all the way through? You still got some cold spots? Hell, some of the spots might still be frozen. You ever had that? That's what you're trying to do with your life right now. With your life, you gotta put it in the oven. You gotta let it bake for a couple days. You gotta be patient. You gotta let it take its time. You gotta let it take its course. All you have to do is put in the right ingredients. Make sure you got the right amount of everything. Make sure you're doing everything that you need to do to make sure that when your life comes out of the oven, it's the best that it could possibly be. And once again, you cannot do that by looking for the cakewalks every single chance that you get, because I promise you, you are going to disappoint yourself. Because the older that you get, and I'm young, I'm only 23, I'm learning it now. The older that you get, you realize that those cakewalks, they diminish as you get older. And even if you find them, they don't even mean anything. You're too talented, you're too gifted. If you take them cakewalks, you're pretty much throwing your talent in the trash. You're stronger than you think you are. Don't be afraid to go through the fire. Don't be afraid to take that road that's gonna make you work a little bit. It's gonna make you put in a little bit more effort. That's gonna take a little bit more time. Don't be afraid, because I guarantee you in the future, it's all gonna pay off. And it may not take as long as you think. You may think it's gonna take 10, 15 years. It may only take you 5. On my high school students, how fast did those 4 years go? On my college students, how fast did those 4 or 5 years, how fast did those go by? I'm telling you, all you gotta do is focus on the work, and before you know it, you're gonna look up and you're gonna have everything that you work for. I know you can do it. And the road, yes, it's gonna be a painful one. You're gonna have to endure a lot. going down that road. But going down that road, once you get to the end of it, you're gonna hit your destination. You're gonna have everything that you wanted, everything that you wished for, everything that you prayed for. You're gonna have everything else on top of that. But what do I know? Just somebody telling you my insights and my observations. I may be wrong. Continue to take the cakewalks if you think it's gonna help you. But some people, they gotta continue to hit their head against the wall until they actually learn. But those of you who are ready to reach your full potential, get in the car of life and take that road that you've been avoiding for so long. Stop trying to take the shortcuts, because it's just gonna lead you back to that road that you should have took from the get-go.